This is the Kiara establishment. This will be the place where the lift will be arriving. The floor has 6 apartments that range from 1089 square feet to 1272 square feet. The apartment we are entering now is a variant of 1272 square feet. As we enter, we can see this is the dining cum sitting area. Basically, this is the sample apartment. On the left, we have the kitchen. It is very spacious. It has its own balcony. And as we move out, in the dining cum sitting area, we can already see that it has its own balcony also. There are 3 towers in this establishment. This is the first one. This you can see is the second. And that is the third. This will be the view from the balcony. The balcony view is very wide. As we move inwards, you can see this is the common washroom. It is well lit. Good ventilation also provided in it. On the right hand side, we can see is the second bedroom, which is also quite spacious. It also has its own balcony. On the left is the master bedroom. It has an inbuilt wardrobe, and again a balcony is provided in this also. It comes with an attached washroom. The main USP of this apartment is that you get balcony on both the sides. Now we will be heading towards the second apartment. As we entered through the dining cum sitting area. The kitchen provided is very spacious. The balcony provided in the dining cum sitting shares the balcony with the kitchen. It is quite wide. In the dining cum sitting area only, we have the common washroom, as you can see. This is the first bedroom. It has its own attached washroom. This is the balcony provided. This is the second bedroom. There is no gallery in it. Basically all of them open into the dining cum sitting area. It is quite spacious, very good for living. Now we'll be entering on the second apartment, which is again 1147 square foot spread. This is again the sample apartment we are seeing. As we enter into the dining cum sitting area, on the left we can see the kitchen that is provided. On the right is the balcony. As we go in, this is the common washroom that is provided. And then the second bedroom with the attached balcony. It also has the inbuilt wardrobe. And just opposite to it is the master bedroom, which also has its own balcony. As I already mentioned, the USP of these apartment is that you get balcony on both sides of the apartment, and this also has the inbuilt wardrobe, the attached washroom provided in the master bedroom. I'd like to mention again that this is the sample apartment. It is very feasible for modern working people.